In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Perplexity with Gmail. By the end, you'll have Perplexity linked to your Google account so it can reference your Gmail and calendar when you ask for help, like finding emails, summarizing threads, or checking availability. Start by opening your browser and heading to Perplexity A. If you aren't already signed in, log into your Perplexity account so your changes are saved. On the Perplexity interface, look for the Customize option. Click that to open your personalization settings, where you'll find the Connectors section. Inside connectors, locate the option labeled Gmail with Calendar. This is a single connector that covers both Gmail and Google Calendar, so you don't have to set them up separately. Click it to open the connector details, then choose Add Connector. This begins the secure Google authorization process. If nothing appears, make sure your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. A Google window will open asking you to choose or confirm the Gmail account you want to connect. Select your account. Next, you'll see a summary of the permissions the connector needs. Click Continue to move forward. These permissions typically include access to read and organize Gmail, view calendar information and events, and read basic profile and contacts data. They're required so Perplexity can search your inbox when you ask, draft or label messages on your behalf if you choose, and check your calendar for availability or upcoming events. On the Permissions page, click Select All to grant the full set of requested access. If you prefer to limit access, you can deselect items, but be aware that doing so may prevent certain features from working, like searching across your inbox or reading calendar availability. When you're comfortable, click Continue. Give it a few seconds to complete the handshake and return you to Perplexity. Back in Perplexity, you'll see a confirmation. Click Close to finish. You should now see Gmail with Calendar listed as connected in your connectors area. If you don't see it immediately, refresh the page. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you use multiple Google accounts, repeat this process for each one you want available in Perplexity. If you ever want to disconnect, open Customize again, remove the connector there, and optionally revoke access in your Google account's third-party access settings. If you're on a work or school account, your administrator may need to allow this connection. And if the consent window doesn't load, temporarily disable strict pop-up or tracking blockers and try again. That's it. Your Perplexity and Gmail connection is ready to go.